Based on our example, we have here given the slope and the y-intercept. Our slope is the one which is at in the form of ms, because remember the m means the slope, so the number or the coordinates for the coefficient for the x is our slope. So what is the number beside x? 2. So your slope is 2. Okay? What is your y-intercept? The y-intercept is the b, okay, which is the point where it crosses the y-axis. So therefore, in our formula, the b there designates here the 1. Therefore, our y-intercept is 2. Okay? So our slope is 2, which is beside x. And then our y-intercept is the one which is the constant, or the number. Okay? Is it here? This is our example number 1. So let's say we have the example number 2. And we are having an example. So here, 15x plus 5y is equal to 20. Now, if you could observe, the given example number 2 is not in the form of slope intercept form. It is not been arranged in a slope intercept form. Because the correct slope intercept form of the equation must be y is equal to mx plus b. So we need to rearrange the equation. Okay? So you have to rearrange the equation. So the one here with the y, that designates your y in the formula. So we're going to have first 5y. So we are changing our equation to a y-intercept form. Okay? 5y is equal to, since mx is on the other side of the equation, so we're going to transfer this 15x to the other side of the equation. So this becomes, this is positive to the opposite side, it becomes negative. Okay? We're getting the opposite side.
Why? Okay. Why would that go over?
Why is it we're transferring 15x? Because we're following this formula. Okay? We're following the formula so that it will be the same as this. This one is not arranged. Okay?
Oh.
It is in the standard form.
Yes.
So we're gonna have to transfer 15x, we're gonna have this one and this one in the correct form. So what is left is 20, this is positive, so plus 20. So we have now completed changing our standard form to the slope intercept form. So we're changing or transferring 15x to the right side because the mx of the formula is on the right side. And the b there is 20, is from here. Okay? So we have to simplify that one as y. So we have here a coefficient 5. So we divide both sides of the equation by 5. Okay? So that it will be in standard of slope. So we have to cancel this. So y is equal to divide the coefficient, 15 divided by 5 is negative 3 because we have here negative sign in 15. Then we have to copy this x. Then divide, copy plus 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is now your slope intercept. Okay? Following this formula. Okay? So our formula is mx, so we are going to get 3x is our mx. And this is our d. And this is our y. Which is the formula of our slope intercept. So we are going to rearrange the standard form into a slope intercept form. Okay? I want to see that in your notebook, but this is an example of the slope intercept. Because later, you are doing that in the worksheet.
So what, we got that in our book?
No, in the worksheet.
Oh, in the worksheet?
Yeah, in the worksheet. Okay, so we have here another type of slope. So the first one is the slope
Bro, I
intercept
can't
form.
find my eraser.
I'm gonna go with another type of slope, and then after this,
My
we'll
good
make
bro.
all the worksheets. Okay? So we're gonna have, and did you copy now? Okay, copy. 1 minute.
You said what, Gary?
Hands are not that high.
And then your dad.
Oh my god.
It's not. It was like, you need to wear flyers. That is a big loss that he gave me these socks wearing today.
What the fuck? I keep on my fucking eyes.
Read the social.
I don't know my auntie though. But she said she's talking about it
What
came
should
like
it
an
is?
exclusive box that limited edition.
Cameron, any question about this? Are you done counting the examples? So we have example one. So
Wait.
example one is already in correct form. The slope and we said, this one is not. But anyway, we have not identified the slope and the intercept.
Oh, it's two different examples.
Yeah, two different examples, but it's the same form. Okay? The second one is we are rearranging it to make it easy.
Oh. I got my eraser.
Okay, so we have here the first one is already in the correct form. But this one is not in the correct form, that's why we rearrange. Okay? We rearrange the equation to make it correct. Now, therefore, we have not identified here the slope now. So what will be our slope now? If we have here negative 3x plus 4, what is our slope?
Oh my god.
3x or it's negative 3 only? It's negative 3. So your slope is negative 3 and your y-intercept is your
Lord have mercy. So 5y over 5. Okay.
So
Over
your
5.
y-intercept
Cancel that.
is 4. Okay? Because later you are going to identify what is the slope in the equation and what is the y-intercept in the
You
equation.
said it was 4 or negative 4?
It is 4 on. So this you have here plus
And
and
negative 3.
negative 3 is our slope based on our y-intercept. Our slope. So this is the thing that you're gonna do later. Identify the slope and then identify the y-intercept. You're gonna finish first the second because you will be using this. Okay? This is very important. Okay, I'm gonna erase this definition here. We're gonna have another form of the formula. So if we have here the slope in terms of form,
Oh, shit.
we have
Negative 3.
form of finding the equation. Okay?
Because I can.
Okay, so with here the second type of slope
Bro, I'm
is
14. I don't got bills to
slope
pay.
in midpoint.
Also, I'm just going life in here because I can.
Okay, so this is another type of slope. So this one is the first one, and let's go to the second type of slope.
Lord have mercy.
So
Everything
this
is
is the
so
slope in
fucking
2
page.
points form in the formula in finding the slope. M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? That is the formula of finding the slope using the 2 points of the equation. Okay? Using that the pair of coordinates. Okay? The ordered pair. Okay? I'll give you an example. So let's say, I'll give you first example. Let's say our first example, the coordinates is 1 and 7 and 2 and 3. So we have there 2 pairs of coordinates. Okay? So remember that the coordinates is always in correct ordered pair. So remember that the first number is always your x and the second number is your y. The same manner, second ordered pair, we have here x and y.
Oh, this is like what we did yesterday in that work.
Yeah, so we're gonna use this formula now, the one that we did yesterday. Okay? So yesterday we just count the number of rides, how many goes up, and how many runs, how many going to the right. So that is how we get the slope. If your given is a graph, well, if your given is a 2-point form, which is the x and y coordinates, you have to identify this one
I
as.
don't do that 6,
So
7
your
shit.
first coordinates will have your x sub 1, and this is your y sub 1. Why is it sub 1? Because it's the first
Because it's the first
pair.
yeah.
Okay, correct? This is the first coordinates. So the second coordinates becomes x sub 2 and y sub 2. Okay? So that's how we remain and how we identify each ordered pair. is always of the x and the y, but since we have two sets, so this is sub 1, x sub 1, y sub 1, and the second is x
I think I
sub
get it.
2, y
Hold
sub
on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
This is very important, because if you don't name this coordinates, you will be lost in the formula.
Okay, so
So it's important to name the coordinates or the order. And then we apply now the formula to find this slope. Remember what is m? M represents a slope. Very good. So we have now our formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And we will substitute now its value. What is our y sub 2? It is 3 minus y sub 1 is 7 over x sub 2 is 2 minus x sub 1. Our formula here, x sub 1 is 1. Okay? So we will evaluate that. The numerators first. So we have here 3 minus 7 is negative 4. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. And we simplify that, so therefore your slope is negative 4. Okay? You simply divide negative 4 divided by positive 1 is negative 4. So your slope is negative 4. Let's have another example. Okay, number 2. So your slope there is negative 4. So let's say you have the coordinates negative 1, negative 5, and we have here positive 2 and positive 9. Okay? So we have got these two examples here. So again, name its pair of coordinates as x and y. This is also your x and y. So the first pair is sub 1. And then the second is sub 2. Okay, you understand already the ways sub 1 and sub 2 because the first pair is the first sub 1 and then the second is the sub 2. Okay? And then we use the formula. So we're going to have now slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And then we will substitute our formula with the given values. So your y sub 2 is 9 minus y sub 1 is negative 5. So we're going to put parentheses because 5 is negative. But still, in between 9 and negative 5 is a subtraction. Over x sub 2 is 2.
Then I'm doing it wrong. I did it wrong.
Okay? And then we're going to evaluate. Remember that negative times negative becomes positive. So we change this 9 plus 5. Okay? So that becomes positive 5. And the denominator is 2 and plus 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So that is now your equation. So we have 9 plus 5 is negative times negative becomes positive. And this one is negative times negative becomes positive. And
Okay,
then
so
we
I'm still solving this,
evaluate
right?
that. 9 plus 5 is
14.
over 2. So that is equal to 7.
2 plus.
So your slope is equal to 7 based on the two coordinate pairs. Okay, copy.
Wait, Mr. Polero.
Example, this question.
Where did you get?
Where did I get 2 plus 1?
Yeah, under 9 plus
This
5.
one?
Yeah, where did you get
This
to?
one. This is 2. Sorry. Yeah.
I thought it's 3.
Correct.
I
What
thought-
is 2? That is already addition. What is 2 plus 1?
3.
It is 3.
Jesus.
And therefore, 14 divided by 3 is not even, correct? How
Yeah.
many 3 are there in 14? Thank you for the correction. So that is correct. So we have now 14 divided by 3. How many 3 are there in 14? 4.
Man, this got stupid.
4. So we have now walls
Ow.
4. And then what is left? 14.
Jesus, this flies
4
in my
times
face.
is 12. So 2 over 3. 4 4 in decimals.
Broski.
You can change this to decimals. What is 2 divided by 3? In decimals. You use your calculator for decimal.
Oh, wait. So 4 and 2/3.
So let's divide first. We're going to get the decimal for 2 over 3.
Oh, yeah.
This is fraction. So we have here 2 divided by 3 is equal to 0.66. 4.66. So this is now your slope. Either in fraction 4 or in
So 2.
Okay, copy first for 1 minute. Are they allowing to do it anywhere or asking for permission?
Broski, how to pick? How do you, what?
So let's go first.
I'm just gonna say that.
To this activity 1. This is now your worksheet. We'll go first to slope step 4. Kaya kami sa lecture notes. Numbers that ever New York, dating and doing
It's your class?
Here we go again.
It's your class?
You know, he just said. He
So they
said.
moved it here.
This motherfucker really said, I don't get how you bleed every day. Like, bitch, that's how periods work. But, and it's not every day. It's like
Yeah,
a week.
remember what he just said? He said it's crazy y'all bleeding every day.
We can't cut.
Don't use that as reason.
We bleed for like a week straight, maybe 2 weeks. I got some more in the room.
I mean, if you get infuriating enough, we all go to have to use that reason.
I am allowing you to look at the background. No matter. But we do it every day.
She's gonna have to.
Exactly. You're going to have to.
Right now,
You're going to have to let her go.
on the right side.
Yeah. You go to the office and be
This big. This motherfucker big. But Lord have mercy. All right. Okay, so this is basic. Camera. Not until like an hour later, but school, like lunches is like
Okay,
at like
start with your activity now.
11:53. So
Side is
also I don't eat a lot at school, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat lunch today. Okay, so hold on, I'm just gonna.
Hey, I'm gonna be a pimp.
Not a pip. That's crazy.
I'm not dressed up like this again.
And I forgot to put my lights on.
I'm gonna write my whole name.
Yay!
Today's the 9th, right? Yeah, it's the 9th.
Okay, let me see. You start now. You start now the activity 1.
So I don't get in trouble.
One that is changing your y intercept form into a intercept.
Mr. Clara, did I do this right?
No, yeah, this I know this one, the first one. This is the one they're gonna
Hold on, chance.
Yes, the first one. The first example.
This one, right?
Write the linear equation and slope intercept form. I'm gonna be moving my phone a lot so the teacher doesn't find my phone. KK.
Bro, no. Last year, I used to write like this. I used to write
In first grade.
Okay, I forgot how we did it. I need my notes. Also, I'm hungry. Can somebody Bluetooth me some snacks? All I got is water. I'm hungry. Halloween at school, any fun? We're not really doing any. I mean, some of the lockers are decorated, but we're having Spirit Week. Today was Throwback Thursday. I was gonna do a whole outfit, but it was last minute and I forgot. So I'm in a sweater. I'm in a sweater, leggings, and. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything special at school for Halloween, so. Write the linear equation in slope intercept form. I forgot how to do it in slope intercept form. Oh.
Excuse me, you need to work with it because you have your.
Shut up, bro.
And this will be the solutions.
Shut your goofy ass up.
Our volleyball team is still good, but when the day is.
Shut your goofy ass up.
You're gonna hold your copy first.
Oh.
This is the two lessons that we have, the slope intercept form and the slope in two forms. 2 points.
Do we gotta finish all of that today?
What?
What the fudge?
I'm going to my class and shit. I'm
Just
on my
start
last
working
class.
with whatever you are done. At least you have done something with your work.
I wrote farm.
Okay.
I meant to say farm.
Lord.
Can I take it home with this?
This is for the second.
Mr. Palaire, if we don't finish these
Niggas
worksheets,
can't get it, man.
Oh, I think you dropped something.
I thought nobody's dressed up today.
Yeah, me either. I came around the corner. I mean, before I came around the corner, I seen nobody. Like, if he was getting out the car, I was like, oh shit. I'm dressed up like this.
Well, actually, I ain't dressed up at all.
Bro, I'm hungry.
Besides when it
You
was
got any
gym day.
food?
Gym day.
I didn't have to do that.
We had.
Oh, y'all should have knew. Everybody, well, half the people at Hope was gonna dress up today.
Yeah. Today, most definitely.
Tomorrow, I ain't
Yes,
dressed
I'm
up.
not dressing up. I don't understand tomorrow.
You literally, all you're doing is wearing your school colors and island accessories.
So you know, Hawaii.
So we can either do like the red, the white, the black, and then like we have to wear like.
Mr. Red, White, and Blue.
They gonna give us the island accessories.
What they do?
They said they was giving us glasses.
Glasses? Oh, hell no. I feel like it's gonna be one of those, like, big-ass glasses. Like the...
Okay, excuse me, I'm gonna explain. The first shield is just 8 to 10, okay? Up 10 items
Don't
only.
do that.
But the second worksheet
Oh my
is
God.
up to number 26. But you're gonna do it the first page. Okay, the first page only. But at the back, you're not gonna do the back part. Okay? It's just the first,
So
The
for the
front.
second page, you only do this.
yes,
Don't do
the
this?
first part. You're gonna do it at the back. Wait, what is that?
For the-
For the second paper.
We only do the front? You only do the front?
Do the front.
Oh.
Don't do the back.
Oh, thank God.
No.
Because I wasn't really gonna do any of it.
Don't do at the back. More.
In slope intercept form. Okay, I get you. So, if I remember. Need a
Shut up, Cameron.
GS friend?
Who's still here? Like, just
No,
say
for girls,
hi.
it's different.
Girl, you start doing it like 18.
Alrighty.
I'm about to be short forever.
They grow up like 10 this year.
How he do that?
I got a couple more years to go.
Concentrate in your work.
So
My mom is like,
Don't forget to write your name, your deciding. First, worksheet deciding. You don't have your pencil with you?
I don't have a pencil.
Forget how to use. What pencil did you use? What pencil did you use?
Oh, yes, I do have a pencil. I'm sorry.
There, inside your notebook. Okay, you do first this one. Indicate your M and Y.
Martin.
On the first paper that you have, make sure to write the sum. Okay, your slope and your y-intercept. You have to identify from your slope-intercept 4. You write that slope equals y-intercept equals.
it's so quiet. I don't think I can talk. I don't know if I did it right. Wait, hold on.
My dog.
I'm having a big brain moment. Hold on.
Bro, don't say that much about that.
No, bro, like she was
I'm having a big brain moment, guys. I'm so smart right now.
That's why I gotta get some bottom back.
No, I got it now.
Never mind. I thought I'm gonna put my phone down.
Yeah, like if I don't get done with this, like the next class I have to take it to my next class. No, I said if I don't finish these two by this class, I'll go to my next class to finish it and I'll bring it to you. I'm be able to be done with it.
Answer the question first. Answer this question first.
I'm like, no, yo. Huh? Why is it a? Are you chill? Where's your phone? Oh.
Okay, if you want to open here.
Hey, it's easy that you do that. Thank God.
I really understand that because you have those questions a while ago and you understand that. That's why I'm wrong. I know you got it. So your example is here.
Wait, does it?
Oh.
Like, yes,
Wait a minute.
Like the one in
Wait. I'm so confused. Hey, you can help me. You can help. I thought you said you can help me. I was like, who said that? Oh, I was about to say like,
I need that one.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Wait. 5 over 5 is what is it? The fuck? How do you get that then?
follow the formula. So you're gonna go with mx.
Okay, no, I think I get it now. So it's -3. Oh, I get it now.
Minus.
Y'all, I'm so smart. I get it. Okay, so 16 divided by 4 is 4x over mx, right? Yeah, 4 over mx. And then -16 minus
Yes, you gotta get through. Open your calculator. Yes.
wait, I need to put my phone down. Oh, I'm supposed to write it down separately. In the 100 was
Put it on that side.
yeah, so it's gonna be -4.
Come on, come on.
Let me see.
Almost fell, guys. Teachers right there. Teachers right there.
The formula here is y is equal to 2x plus. That's the correct formula. Come on.
positive is positive, right?
Change the position so that the opposite side becomes positive.
It's a negative. Okay.
No more negative.
Oh,
Remember,
X divided by 2 is negative 4, so negative 4.
The number has the plus sign automatically is positive. This one, it looks like 4. So it will not be confused. So when you do 2, since it is supposed to be 1, something 4.
Just say this and go So I didn't change it, so I think it stays. It's negative 6. Y. That changed to a positive, so plus 30x minus 18. Divided by negative 6. Oh shit. It's negative 5. Okay, I got you. Negative 18 is 3, so plus 3.
Still on the first part. Okay, here's the one. So here's the thing. And then period. You're gonna start doing this one first, but these 2. You need to start this one first so that when you get back, you know what to do. And then you're going to second period. 10. I'm sorry, 9. 10, 0, 1. So when I see where the is, what you do, right? The air, what you do, the one in the box. You need to separate. You have to do the other and the one person. Yeah, you're gonna separate. Remember what is your the one beside X. So it's 4. Remember, and then your white person. Yeah, it's negative. Let's see. So you put it right.
Give me a second. Juan. Why that scared me?
This stuff, I hate wearing white. What? What'd she say, dear? I said I hate wearing white.
Yo, who is in my life? I just wanna. Oh,
It shows everything.
like no shade, but like I wanna know who's in my life. Just like say hi. I pay attention. Damn, he loud as fuck.
Oh, no, I'm glad I didn't wear my white shirt yesterday. So, more down my
Oh, damn. You was outside? Why? If it was pouring out at lunch, it was not.
I got big lunch.
It was raining at
Oh,
I
no, I thought
mean,
somebody.
literally, we were sitting there all calm and everything, and the bottom fell out.
Mm.
What about it?
Over the sky. It was raining.
Oh.
Pouring down rain.
Literally, I walked outside 1 minute, it was good. I walked back outside, it was
Boom! It came like,
Mm.
Oh, yeah, boy. I got eat lunch, man. It was hot as shit out there.
hey, that rain cooled it down. That rain cooled it down.
But it was actually hot as shit. We got a game today. I wish it was more.
it's mine. More than maybe.
Huh?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, it's not free.
I don't know. I might go.
0.75.
Like, close that.
Yeah, they said they wouldn't play us.
Put it in there, block it.
I'm gonna move my phone.